We about to go check out my mom, Young Booski. This is some funny stuff, man. I ain't never did stuff like this in my life before. Alright, let's go.
This is going to see the reality show, barbershop. We're going to take a few people within the barbershop to find out their techniques on cutting hair.
I'm scared.
Don't be.
I'm glad. Oh my gosh. It's a wrap, sir. No, I'm not going in there. You're probably gonna think me crazy. He's tripping. Mother got me stalking this too. Oh no. Ma.
This is our reality show. We're doing a taping on barbershops. We'd like to get a few people. This is our reality show, barbershop.
She's stalking him. That guy right there, she's stalking. Come on, he's walking, come on.
No.
Go ahead. He's shaking his head laughing. That means something. Go ahead, just walk in and say hi.
How you doing?
Hi, everybody.
On barbershop.
What's up, Byron?
This is mother-daughter reality show.
No, mother-daughter ain't got nothing to do with it.
We want to get
She's stalking him.
technique on cutting hair.
Well, that's what it is then.
That's what it is. We got you. We got you.
Whoa!
Rolling.
Okay, enough is enough, ma.
All right. What's that?
Put you on blast.
That's right. You never know what's in the day for you, so we're gonna get you. We got you rolling now.
Tell everybody what your name is. You want everybody to know your name? Huh? No comment. Why? This is what you do.
What's your name?
You want to get some? You trying to get some clientele? Hold up. Is it on your shirt? We trying to get some clientele.
Get him?
Who that? Who that? You a barber too? Oh, so why you told me to get you? Okay, we got somebody who want to be on there.
You got to pay us for this foot.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I think you got to pay me for it.
Huh?
You got to pay me for the footage. Uh-oh, my mother getting mad. Hold up. Okay, enough is enough, Mom. I'm ready to go.
I'm thinking about that.
She's stalking him. Okay, I'm over it.
Yes.
What's your name? Stop playing. What's your name?
You know you have a name.
This is the show, man. It's gonna be on TV.
I just wanted to.
No, you want it for what? This is some serious stuff going on, man.
I know. I'm trying to miss that too.
What's your name? Who you macking to, bruh? Hey, bruh. Who you macking to?
Yeah, I call you
Everybody acting crazy like they don't want to be on TV. This is serious. I'm a producer. I'm a director. This is what I do. See, I like you. Let me tell you why I like you. Because you into this stuff right here. You want to be on TV. That's irrelevant. You know what I'm saying? And once you see yourself, I do everything. You trying to play me? You said on what? Okay, I'll pay you if you say shouts out to Neek Streets. She's the best in the world.
Who?
Neek Streets.
What's Neek Street?
You wanna know who Neek Streets is? Neek Streets.
Where's it at?
Where is who is that? Not where. This is what it is. This is official.
That's you?
Yeah. This is what we do. Back to you, bro. What you doing?
No, I had to send my phone back to the manufacturer Motorola. This is weird for me because I've never been without a phone.
Okay.
Some crazy experience. You kidding me, girl? That's right. We're live.
It's over. Okay, Byron. Enough is enough.
All right.
Appreciate you. Send you it.
Oh yeah.
How much?
So just this young man here, he's sitting here very quietly. I like that.
I mean, what else you supposed to do, man?
natural.
He's supposed to be quiet.
Some kids, you know, they see a camera, they get, you know, excited.
Okay.
That's very good.
Okay, we out of this camp for real. I gotta go. Alright, y'all. Nice seeing y'all. You know, that's what we do Nautica all day. You know what I'm saying? That's what we do upstairs. Third.
About that now.